How to make money online in 24 hours selling digital product. If you need to make money online fast, I'm about to show you how you can create and sell digital products online in 24 hours, even if you're a complete beginner. Hey, this is Colin. I help beginners who are struggling financially to create and start their own online business using digital marketing. So if you're tired of working long hours, missing time with your family, struggling financially, and just want to be able to create more income for yourself and your family, you're watching the right video. Today I'm going to show you how you can create and sell digital products even as a beginner within one day and then start making money with those digital products. So let's dig in, let's get started. And remember, if you like content like this, if you like content videos that's going to teach you how you can start making more money online with digital marketing and digital products, make sure that you smash that like button, drop me a comment down below, and subscribe for more content on digital marketing and making money online, even for beginners. All right, the first step when it comes to making money online with digital products, with digital marketing, the first step that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to think of a product. You're going to want to find a product that you can start selling and making a profit with that product. All right, so what you want to do is you want to think about something that you know a lot about, or something that people are having problems with, something that people need. You want to be able to solve a problem. So you're going to find a problem, and then you're going to offer a solution for that problem with your product. So some quick product examples can be, for example, ebooks, guides, trackers, planners, or even digital art. Okay, so for examples on that, maybe, a budget, like maybe you're good with budgeting your money. You're good with, your income and your expenses, stuff like that. Well, you can create a tracker, a budget tracker, an income and expense tracker. This is a personal finance tracker. You can easily create something like that, and then you could sell that tracker to other people that need to, and they need something to be able to help them budget their finances, right? So it's a problem and a solution for their problem right there with that. Maybe they need a planner, okay? Maybe they need a meal planner. Maybe they need just a daily planner, something like that. You can easily create these products. Very simple to do. And then there are even marketers out there that are marketing on, for example, TikTok, and they need to have, for example, hooks. Maybe they need some hooks for their videos, and they're trying to come up with hooks. Other beginners, they need more hooks for their videos. Well, you can come up with a bunch of hooks, maybe 50 or 100 or 120 hooks that you can offer people in a product. So you write out all these hooks, okay, and then you could sell this for their problem. They've got a problem because they need to have more hooks for their engaging hooks for their videos. Well, here's your solution. I got a bunch of hooks for you. Just have very simple products like this that you can come up with and you can create for people. Now, here's a pro tip for a lot of this type of stuff, right? Just a pro tip to keep in mind. You can use ChatGPT to help you create all this stuff. Man, the time that we're living in this year, 2025, things are getting a lot easier. It just takes you taking action and getting started doing something like this, right? Okay, so the next step when it comes to this part is going to be creating, actually getting down to it and taking action and creating this product. How are you going to create it, right? Now you can use a ChatGPT. It gives you your ideas and all that sort of stuff, and you've come up with those ideas of what you want to create. How are you going to do that? Where are you going to go for that? Well, I can suggest that you can go to, for example, Canva. All right, you can go to Canva and you can create things in Canva. Very beautiful products for digital products can be created and done in Canva. And then you could also use Google Sheets, Google Documents. Use that Google for that. They've got a lot of great stuff right in Google, right in the Google suite that you could use to create things, create your trackers and all that sort of stuff, right? Okay, I've done it myself, and I currently do that for trackers and things like that. Use the Google to create my products that I could sell, all right? You can do the same thing. Your ebook on a Word document and then into a PDF file right in there, and you create a simple ebook, right? 5 pages, 10 pages, 30 or pages or whatever it is. The important thing about your ebook is the information that's in there. As long as it's good, valuable information that really helps people, that's what matters, okay? That's really what matters. If you can find that problem and you can solve that problem for people, then they're willing to pay for that. Then the next step number 3, this is what you want to do, is you want to set up a sales page. You need a sales system. You need a way to now sell your products, right? Where are you going to sell it? How are you going to sell it? With what kind of a sales page? What are you going to use? You can use places and platforms such as Etsy, Gumroad, PayHip. You know, you could use these places as well to do that. You could host it on Stan Store, Beacons, System.io. You can use these places now to host and put your sales page and your digital product on. Very cool, very simple to do, right? When creating your sales page, when creating that copy, here's what do you want to include in it? This is what you want to include in your sales copy. You want to include, like I said, you want to find a problem, you want to offer a solution to their problem, right? So it's very simple. You're now going to talk about the problem, and then you're going to offer the solution, and then you're going to have a call to action. All of this in your sales copy. Problem, solution, call to action. Just like that. 3 basic elements of your sales copy that you're going to need to include. All right, so you're going to put that in your sales copy. Keep it really simple. Don't need to overthink it, really. You could even add some images. Put an image of your product that you create on Canva. Put it in there, right? Visual. People like the visuals. They like the images. They like the pictures of the product as well in the sales copy, okay? And again, now if you want an example, you want to see how something like this works on a page that I have, in the description of the video here, right? Go check it out. Grab my marketing bundle. Grab my marketing bundle. That there actually is going to really help you, walk you through it. If you want the detailed information, the real nuts and bolts, how to really go through all of this, put it all together, have all the prompts for you, the whole process, walk you through it, that marketing bundle is really what's going to really help you out here. I can give you the basics of an outline right here and lay it out for you in very simple terms, but that marketing bundle down there, that's what's really going to help you out and get started and really get through this process, okay? Check it out. So you'll see the sales copy, you'll see the product, you'll see the image, you'll see a product there just like that, offering a solution to the problem of creating a digital product and creating that income by selling digital products. It's all packaged in the marketing bundle, guys, right? So check it out. Anyways, let's continue on here for step number 4. And step number 4 is now, well, you're going to have to market your product, right? Where are you going to market it? How are you going to market your product? Now that you've created it, you're going to now have to market it. Well, again, I teach you more detailed information on how to do that in the marketing bundle. Well, let's talk about this. Here's the basics of what you're going to want to do when it comes to marketing your digital product, all right? You're going to want to use social media, okay? You can use a whole bunch of different things you can use, but I'm going to suggest starting with social media. It's got such a huge reach. There's a lot of audience. There's a lot of people out there, and there's a lot of great social media platforms that you could use, but you're going to want to pick, like I said, start with one. Start with one. Get used to it, master it, move on to the next one, okay? 1 or 2. Don't go off over to like 5 different social media platforms all at one time and try and master them, right? So you could use TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn. There's a whole bunch of them that you can be using. So pick one, get used to it, master it, become very familiar with it, and then you can move on to another one. All right, cool, makes sense, understand? All right, now again, let's move on to step number 5. Step number 5, you're going to start to create more sustainable income. You're going to start to create more revenue. You're going to start to create, a more of an ongoing income streams for you. How? What are you going to do? You're going to start to scale your business, okay? Start to scale things. You're going to start to be able to create more products, more bundles, increased prices, increased revenue. Start bringing it in more, right? That's what you're going to want to do. And you can start doing some, like maybe you're going to want to branch over to some paid ads. You can start going over to Facebook, start doing the Facebook ads. You can go over to the Google ads. You can start doing the pay-per-click that way. You can go over to in YouTube and you can do the YouTube ads, right? You can start now using paid advertising because you're able to scale your business. All right? That's all. Once you start making some money, start making some sales, you can start scaling your digital product business. Okay? And then also, here's another pro tip with all of this, like I'm gonna suggest, is this: you want to also be building an email list. Okay? Build an email list. You can do this by using a lead magnet, a freebie, a free guide, something that you want to give away that's related to your digital products, okay? And then have an email series set up, right? So when somebody gives you their name and their email address for your freebie, for your lead magnet, they're going to then be on your list, and you could be emailing them and giving them value through emails, building a relationship with your subscribers. Now you're building up a contact list, an audience that you own, and it's not just a social media platform where your audience is, right? That's why you want to have an email list. An email list is going to be one of your most valuable things that you're going to have in your digital marketing business, because it's your audience, and you can take that with you wherever you go, and you're going to nourish it. You're going to keep in contact with them and build relationships through email marketing, through email, okay? And then when you have new products, well, you're going to go to your list and you're going to let them know about it. And because they already know, like, and trust you, now you're going to be able to make even more sales that way. Make sense? Cool. So I hope this was valuable. I hope you found some value in this content. If you did, you know what to do. Smash the like button. Drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you're not yet subscribed, click subscribe. And I also am going to encourage you, get down there in the description of this video, grab my marketing bundle, because it's going to walk you through a lot of this process. It's going to show you the nuts and bolts. It's really going to show you how to put everything together and use social media to market your digital products. All right? And it's all laid out there for you. But I'm going to give you as much information that I can here as well through my content, through these videos. So if you like this type of content and you want more of these type of videos, just drop me a comment down there. Let me know any feedback or any questions that you have. See if I can answer them. See if I can help you out that way. And in the meantime, I should have another couple of videos right up above here. Go check one of these videos out. I'll see you over there, and bye for now.